Hello everyone, how are you? This is Dr. Labib from Dr. Labib Academy. In this session, I am going to explain you the mock exam, UK taxation, the Finance Act of 2022, which is applicable till March 2024 examinations. Okay, till this is applicable for till March 2024 examinations. So you can review it. I wish you best of luck, and please subscribe to this channel, share this channel, and if you understood and if you have gained something, like to this channel. Okay. Now coming back to the section A of the mock exam, it is from the Kaplan I have taken. It will have 15 questions of 2 marks each. Basically, they will ask the rules and its application, theoretical rules and its applications, and we have to be very specific. This session I will just answer. I will explain section A only. Okay. Now coming back to this very quickly, very fast, very specific from the examination mode of view. Okay. Related clauses, related rules, I will explain you as it happens. William is a self-employed. He is a self-employed. These are the things which are very, very specific. Self-employed, and his tax adjusted, his tax adjusted trading profit. Is it right? Tax adjusted trading profit is how much? Tax adjusted trading profit is 82,700. During the tax year, William contributed. He contributed for personal pension scheme also. Is it? He contributed for personal pension scheme. Is it right? Personal pension scheme how much? 5,400. Okay, this is the information they have given. Now they are asking, what is the question they are asking? They are asking what is the class 4 NIC. What amount of class 4 NIC contribution will William pay for the tax year? Is that what is the amount he will pay? Is it right? Next, you have the class 4. Is it right? You have the class 4. The rules has been given. Is it right? In the examination, they will provide with us with the. What is the class 4? Class 4 says specifically 1 to 12,570. Is it right? 1 to 12,570. Is it right? 1 to 12,570. How much? It is 0%. Nil. Okay, it is nil. Next, what is the second phase? There it says that 50,000 270 minus 12,570. Is it right? How much at the what? How much is the amount? The difference is how much? 37,700 at the rate of. Is it? At the rate of. Just keep here. At the rate of. Okay. How much is that? It is. If you take this, refer the table. 10.25%. Is it 37,700 into 10.25%? It comes to how much? 37,700 into 10.25%. It comes to how much? 3864. Next, what is his income, trading profit? His trading profit is 82,700 minus 50,000 minus 50,270. Is it right? 82,700 minus 50,270 times. What is the percentage? 3.25%. Is it right? 1053.975. 1053.9. We can take 1054. How much is there? 8, 1, 9, 4918. Is that 4918? Okay. Next, you are a trainee certified accountant, and your firm has a client who has refused to disclose chargeable gain to HMRC. See, this is ethical. The lecture 1 on ethics, they will definitely ask 1 or 2 question, maximum 4 marks. Okay, maximum, but 1 question will be there. Which 2 of the following actions could be expected of your firm? What you can do is, right, which of the 2 actions which you can do? See, in every firm, is it right, you will have a money laundering regulatory officer. It is given in the text. Okay, it is given in our study text. Money law and reporting under the money laundering regulations. You have to advise. Is it right? You have to advise. It is our role as a chartered accountant. You have to advise the client to make disclosure. Inform HMRC. We should not inform HMRC. The chartered accountant should not inform it. This is not in our jurisdictions. Is it right? Warning the client. Even we cannot do this. The answer is what? The answer is 1 and 2. Okay. Next. Martin is self-employed for the year ended 5th April. His trading profit was 11100. During the tax year, Martin gave a donation of 800 to the national charity donations, fully exempted. Okay, to the extent, is that reasonable? See, there have been clearly mentioned in the study text, reasonable donation. It is not like that you are giving a donation which somebody can suspect. No, reasonable donations, national charity. What amount of personal allowance will Martin entitle to the tax year? See, we have to make sure that there is a rule. Is it right? Is it when there is a rule that we have to follow? Is that it says that the personal allowance will be reduced by 50%. Is right? First, we have to calculate what? First, we have to calculate it adjusted trading profit. Okay, how much is there? What is his trading profit? The trading profit is 111,100. Okay. Now, from he has given a gift donation to the charity. This is charity, national charity. Okay, national charity means it's recognized. National charity. How much he has given? Martin has given 800. Okay, in charity. Fine. That's all. Nothing is there. Okay, he has given a gross amount. Okay, gross amount of 800. Next, we have the income limit. Is it right? What is the income limit of personal allowance? We have 100,000. Okay, 100. How much it will come? 111,110. Okay, 111,110. Is it right? How much it will come? 003 111,100 minus 800. Comes to 110. Fine. 110,300. You have the income limit. We have to deduct the income limit. Income limit is how much? Income limit is 100,000. How much we'll get? We'll get 10,300. This 10,300 is, we have to take how much? 50%. It comes to 5,150. Is it right? It comes to how much? 5,000. Now we have to reduce the personal allowance. Is it right? Personal allowance. See, you don't need to write all these things. It is on just for your explanation. Personal allowance is how much? Personal allowance is 12,570. Okay, 12,570 minus restrictions. Is it right? How much is there? We have calculated here. 5,150. Is it 5,150? It comes to how much? 12,570 minus 5,150. It comes to 7,420. Is it 7,000? That is the person. He is entitled. Is it? We have to write, for your understanding, personal allowance entitled for the tax year 2022-23. Is it right? 2022-23 years. Next. For the year ended 31st March, Halo made a trading loss of how much? 31st March. The dates are very important. 2023. How much is the trading loss? Trading loss is 180. Okay. Halo owned 100% of the ordinary share capital. This is for which one? This is for Halo Limited. There is another one, Shallow Limited. Okay, Shallow Limited. How much? He is 100% owned. Shallow Limited is the trading profit. Is it? How much is the trading profit? This is the 30th June. Is it? This is the 30th June 2023. Dates are different. Okay, dates are different. How much is the trading profit? 224. Neither company has other taxable profits or allowable losses. What is the maximum amount of group relief which Shallow can claim in respect of from Halo Limited in respect of trading loss? See, you see, year ended 31st March, and here it is what? June. You have to see when, and they are asking us for the year ended how much? For the year ended 31st March. Is it? The difference in months is how between difference in months is how many? It is 3 months. Is it a difference in months are how many months? 3 months. Now we have to see 12 minus 3 how much? We have to take for 9 months only. The maximum relief is how much? Why 9 months? Because we cannot take one firm for 12 months and one firm for 9 months. Okay. Loss. Is that loss how much? 180 times 9 by 12. Is that 180 times 9 by 12. 180 times 9 divided by 12. It comes to how much? 135. Trading profit is how much? Trading profit is how much? 224. 9 by 12. How much is there? 224. 9 divided by 12. 168. See, how much is the maximum loss? Maximum loss is how much? There are two different ways of understanding. Okay, the first one is we have to take the lower of the value. Is it? We have to take the lower of the. Another thing, if it is loss is 135, we can recover 135 only. Is it right? We cannot go beyond that. Is it right? We cannot go beyond that as such. The answer is what? The answer is 135. For the year ended March 31st, sizable has a taxable total profits of 820. Is it tax a TTP? Okay, TTP how much? 820. For the year ended, okay, and this is for which year? For the year ended 31st March. Okay, for year ended 31st March 2022. For the year ended 31st March 2023, taxable profits are how much? 970. The profits occur evenly during the year. Sizable has a 51% group. Is it? You have to be very clear here in terms of rules. Okay, you have a 51% group company for many years. How will Sizable Limited pay corporation tax for the year? See, what is the large company or small company? Large company says what is the threshold? It is 1.5 million. Okay, 1.5 million or 10 million. Okay, that is the thresholds, but that is the threshold limits. Okay, now it can be reduced if the rule says that if it is a 51% group company, these thresholds can be reduced. Okay, now you calculate the profits. Is it right? You calculate the things as such. How much is there for the year 20 recent profits? How much is there? 970. Okay, now coming back to this, what is the rule? They say that we can pay in 4 equal installments. Understand? We can pay in 4 equal installments. Usually what we will do, we will say 1.5 divided by 4, it comes to 375. Is it right? Immediately we will come to a conclusion that yes, it is not within the limit. Then how it is possible? No. 970 divided by what? 970. First we have to take this is the profits. Is it? This is the profits for 2023. Now, what is the rate? Rate is at the rate of 19%. Okay, if you see the things, financial year 2022, the rate is how much? Rate is 970 times 19%. Okay, nine seventy times 19%. Yeah, 19%. It comes to how much? 184,300. Okay. If the rule says it can be paid in 4 equal installments divided by 4. Divided by 4. It comes to how much? It comes to 46075. 46075 in 4 equal installments. Okay, 4 zeros. Subject to the subject. What is the rule? See, this is the you have a threshold limit is how much? 1.5 million. Okay, but if the company is coming under the bracket of 51% group, it can be the company has any related 51% group company, the threshold is going to be reduced. What is the answer? Answer is it is 4 installments of 46,075. Now, for the year ended, Lateness Limited has a corporation tax liability is how much? Lateness Limited has a corporation corporation tax liability is how much? It is 60,000. Fine. Which he did not pay until 31st March. Okay. Which is not pay until, see, the dates are important. Is that 31st December 2022. They have not paid till 31st March, okay, 2024. Is not a large company. How much interest will lateness will be charged by HMC tax revenue? Is it right? HMC in respect of the late payment. It's a small company. See, actually it has to pay by how much? It has to pay by, the rule says that it has to pay within 9 months 1 day. Okay. If you take that also, it comes till when? It comes till September. Okay, September 30. They have to pay but they have to file till pay till what? 9 months 1 day. They have not paid till now. They have delayed it for another how many months? They delayed it for 6 months. What is the rate of interest if you are delaying? The rate of interest is how much? 3.25% per year. Okay, 3.25% per year. Now, what they are asking you? What is the late payment for its corporation tax liability? What is the profits? Profits is 60,000. 3.25%. This is for full year. They have delayed payment for 12 months. So they delayed it paid for 6 months. That they delayed payment for 6 months. It comes to how much? 60,000 times 3.25, okay, divided by 2. It comes to how much? It comes to 975. Are you understanding? See, we have to be very clear about the dates, how it is going to be worked it out. What is the date for a small, how it is related to small company, how it is related to large companies, what is the threshold limit, when it has going to be, very simple, twisted, and when we can take that advantage of all those clauses. Okay. On November 26, 2022, Alice sold an antique table, 8,700. See, the moment you say antique table, is it that you have to be very clear with the 6,000 rule. Okay. The antique table was purchased for 3,800. What is chargeable gain in respect of the disposable about the asset? This is the what? This is the antique table is a non-wasting chattel. Okay, non-wasting chattel. You have wasting chattel, you have non-wasting chattel. Is it right? What is the gain we have? See, first you have to take the, see what is the, you have gain. Is it right? Gain. How we are going to calculate gain? Gross proceeds. Is it right? Gross proceeds minus 6,000 times 5 by 3. Gross proceeds is how much? 8,700 minus 6,000 times 5 by 3. 2,700 times 5 by 3. It comes to how much? It comes to 4,500. We have to check the rule also. Is it right? What is the value? The sale value is how much? Sale value is 8,700. Cost is how much? Cost is 3,800. Okay. Cost is 3,800. It comes to how much? 17 minus 8, 9. Is it right? It comes to how much? It comes to 4,000, which is less than or equal to 6,000. This is which is less than or equal to 6,000 rule. Okay. They will not ask this, but this is for our understanding. They will ask one question on this also. Wasting chattels and non-wasting chattels. Point number 8. On 14 November, John made a cash gift of how much to the trust? Is it cash gift is how much? Cash gift is 800,000. After deducting all available exemptions, Jane paid the inheritance tax arising from the gift. Jane has not made any other lifetime gifts. What is the amount of inheritance tax? IHT payable. Is it right? We have to calculate IHT payable for the Jane's gift. How much? Very simple. Is it very simple? What we have to do? We have to take into consideration the gross chargeable amount. Straight away we have to deduct the nil rate band at the time of gift. How much is that? It is 325 nil rate band. Is it right? Nil rate band is how much? 325. Yeah, 325. And whatever the amount, here it is as a, see, Jane made a gift to the trust. Jane is a donor. Cash gift to the, is right? Jane is a donor, and it is the net gift amount. See, this rule will not be given in the examination. It has been clearly mentioned in the study text. It will, people will straight away calculate 20%, okay, and the lifetime gift. No, that rule is changing here. How much is that? They are not checking the things. They are just testing your knowledge whether you have covered the text or not. How much is the gross? How much is the gross chargeable? How much is the gross chargeable amount? Gross chargeable amount is how much? 800,000. Is it right? Minus NRB. How much? 325. Okay, 325. It comes to how much? 75. It comes to 475. See, very is that it is this is the taxable amount. This is the taxable amount. Straight away we should not calculate 20%. Okay, it is the given by the donor. If it is given by the donor, the rate of tax, rate of inheritance tax, if given by donor, net amount, is it right? Net will be charged. I am writing very clearly. Will be charged at 25%. Okay, 475 times 25%. Is that 475 times 25%? It comes to how much? 118,750. 118,750. It really adds value to your preparation last moment. Okay. Now, during the tax year 2022, Milford made 4 cash gifts. See, to the grandchildren. For each of the cash gifts below, you have, see, very simple. It means you can give how much? 250 to any number of people. Any number, there is no restriction. Okay, but you should not exceed. Even in installments, it should not exceed 250. Okay, that is a simple rule. When it is going to, whenever you are talking about exempt or not from inheritance tax, under what is the rule? That is the rule with respect to self gifts exemptions. Is that 400? It is greater than 250. It is not exempted. Okay, it is not exempted. 140 mini. And there are two amounts are there. Is it right? There is 140 plus 280. It is right. It comes to 420. Again, it is greater than 250. Is right? It is also not exempted. Is that 175? It is less than 250. It is exempt. Fine. Next, for the quarter year ended 31st March, Jim has standard rated sales and standard rated expenses. Both figures are exclusive of what? See, I will give you a say. If it is inclusive, is it right? If it is inclusive, it is how much? 20 by 120. Is it 1 by 6? 1 by 6. If it is exclusive, is it right? Is exclusive. You have to add 100 plus 20. Okay? You have to add 100 plus 20. It will become 120 by 100. Jim uses flat rate scheme. Is that you have cash accounting scheme? Is that you have cash accounting scheme? Is it? I'm writing for your understanding. Cash accounting scheme. We have annual accounting scheme. Is it right? You have annual accounting scheme and you have flat rate scheme. What is the rule of flat rate scheme? Flat rate scheme is rule is if you have to charge on the output tax. Is it right? Gross turnover. Is that you have to calculate on what? You have to calculate on gross turnover figure. Okay, this is the rule of the flat rate scheme. And if it is given here, they have said that with the relevant scheme percentage is how much? 12%. It is given. Otherwise, what is the percentage? If it is not given, the percentage is how much? 16 point. If it is given, we have to take the percentage which is given in the question. The percentage of the deduction first year of VAT registration is not available. How much is there? Means you have to take on the gross turnover sales. Is it? We have to take it on the gross turnover. Is it? Now it is exclusive of VAT. Is it right? Means 100 plus 20. How much is there? 49,750 times 120 by 100 times 12%. 49,750 120 divided by 100 times 12%. It comes to how much? It comes to 7164. Which two of the following assets will always exempt from capital gain tax? See, in capital gain tax, you have something with respect to what? Something with respect to chargeable and something with respect to exempted. It has given in capital gain tax. There is a table. Refer that. Okay. Is it in chargeable? What is there? You will have all forms of capital assets is there. Is that all forms of capital assets? You have freehold land and buildings. Is it right? You have goodwill is there. Is it right? You have goodwill is there. You have unquoted shares and quoted shares are there. Is it right? Unquoted shares are there. You have chattels, tangible, movable assets will be there. Is that? These are all the things which are chargeable. What is exempted? Exempted is motor vehicle, vintage cars. Okay, motor vehicle, vintage cars. Main residence is exempted. Okay, main residence is. I am writing this for you under this. It will help you in your recapping it. Okay, you have the cash is exempted. Chattels. Is it chattels? Refer the chattels. Is that vesting chattels and non-vesting chattels? You have ISA, individual savings accounts. Is it? And we have that guilds is there. Is it right? Guilds, government bonds is there. Qualifying corporate bonds will be exempted. Okay, qualifying corporate bonds will be exempted. Okay, prices, foreign currency for private use, personal use or private use is exempted. Okay, and prices and any betting earnings. Is that now? Which two of the following is exempted? Is right? It is which of exempted? Chattels comes in both the cases. Okay, that is the reason we have to be very, very clear. Is right? We have to be very here. We are talking in terms of tangible, movable assets. tangible movable assets. Is it right? So here also we will come chattels. Here they have not given chattels specifically. It is vesting chattel or non-vesting chattel. That is the reason we will not take this. Is it right? And what are the exemptions? You have a suitable car for private use. That is the vintage car, and we have the UK government security, gilt-edged securities. Winston has already invested 8,000 in a individual savings account for the tax year. Now he wants to invest in, see, what is the rule if we are talking investments? Is that 1 minute? How much we can invest? We can invest 20,000. Is it right? It has been given. Yeah. Overall investment limit is how much? Overall investment limit is how much? Investment limit in ISA is how much? 20,000. You can invest in any proportion. You can invest. There is no condition that this much has to be invested. That's very important. There is no condition that you have to invest this much or this much amount in ISA, this much amount in qualified government bonds, this much should be in gilts. Nothing like that. Is it right? How much he has to 20,000 limit? How much he has invested? He has invested 8,000. Furthermore, how can he invest? He can most another how much he can. What is the maximum possible amount which Winston can invest in the stocks and shares of ISA? What is the maximum amount? 12,000. 20,000 is the limit. Already he has invested 8,000. Ming is self-employed. For each of the types of records listed, click the box indicate to which Ming must retain the records using the prepared set. Is that, see, what is the rule when you are after filing? It is for how many years? It is for 5 years. Is that it has been given in the text very clearly. Is it right? If it is for the year 2022-23, is it right? If it is given for the year 22-23, is it right? It is, if you take that one for the tax year, is that 24. It comes to 24 to 25, 25 to 26, 26 to 27, 27 to 28, and 28 to 29 for 5 years. Starting from 1st January 2024. Because it is, you have the option for sorry, is it? It is means how much is there? What is the date? 31st January 2029. Refer if it is given in, I think, page number 427. Okay, page number 427. Now, Moon has following results: year ended 105, 4 months 43, year ended 96. See the things. This is August, this is December, and this is this. The company does not have any other. How much Moon trading loss for the year ended 31st December 2022 can be relieved against the total profits of, see, is it how much you can reduce it? Is it how much is, see, it is how much is the 4 month period? It is 4 months is 4 months 31 December 2021, 43,000. Is it right? What is the year ended 31st December? This is loss. Is it right? For this is December 2022. Is it right? 2022. How much is the loss? 105. Is it right? How much is the remaining loss? Remaining loss is remaining loss will be how much? Remaining loss 105. 105 minus 43,000. It comes to how much? 62,000. They say that, see, when you are talking about this, they say that it is August, September, October, November, December. Okay. Year ended, how much is there? 96,000. Okay. See, actually, if you take that into consideration, how much is the trading loss for the year ended can be relieved. The trading loss can be year ended against, is it? How much is the trading loss? 62,000. This much we can relieve. Okay. Now, how much is the year ended for the year ended profit? Year ended 31st August. We have to see, when you are taking for 8 months, you have to proportion it. 96,000 times 8 by 12. It comes to how much? This is only for our understanding. But what is the remaining loss? Which it can be, means available profits are 64,000. From this, he has available profits to recover his remaining loss. Got my point? He has available profits to recover it from the available. He has available profits to recover it from the available loss. Now, Nigel has not previously been resident in the UK. It is very twisting, okay? And we will have really, it makes the last question will squeeze us, as simple as that, okay? Has not previously resident. You have that condition is it right? You have previously, if you take the textbook, you have previously resident, and you have not previously resident. We don't want previously resident, is it right? What is there? It is less than 16 days, is it right? 16 to 45 days, is it right? 46 to 90 days, is it? 46 to 90 days, 91 to 120 days. I'm just writing 121 to 182 days, and 183 days and more, okay, and more. If you take less than 16 days, I'm only talking about not previously resident, is that it will be what? It will be automatically non-resident, okay. What they are saying, what is the question? I will come back to this. Nigel has not previously been resident in the UK, being in the UK for less than 20 days each tax year. Less than 20 days, is it right? If you take less than 20 days also, if you take 45 days also, it will be what? It will be automatically non-resident. He has 3 ties with the UK. Now, the next one is how? Next one will be 4 ties. Is that after that it will how much? 3 ties. Okay, 3 ties or more. Okay, 3 ties or more. Then you will have 2 ties. Listen carefully. 2 ties. Is that? And it will be automatically resident. I am taking only related to what? I am taking only related to not previously resident. What they are saying is, what is the maximum number of days Nigel could spend in the UK during the tax year without being treated as a resident in the UK for that year. He is having how many ties? He is having 3 ties. Is that 3 ties will be how much? It will be from this. Is that the moment he starts 91 days with 3 ties, he will be part of as a resident. Now, in order to not to come in this bracket, he can be there for 90 days. Is it? He can be there for 90 days, 4 ties to become resident. But 90 days with 3 ties, he will be a non-resident. Got my point? With 90 days, with 3 ties, he will be non-resident. If it is 91 days with 3 ties, he will become. He want to be without being treated as a resident. Means how many days he can be there in UK? He can be there in UK for maximum 90 days. The moment he crosses 90 days with 3 ties, he will become resident. The answer is what? The answer is A. Hope you have understood the things. Still anything is there, please let me know. Please subscribe to this channel and look forward for the videos with respect to taxation, financial reporting, auditing, financial management, SBR, other things also. Please subscribe to this channel and share this channel. Your comments are it's a feedback to me to improve, and if you understood, like this channel. Thank you very much. Best of luck.